Teachers, summer is around the corner and I am so excited, as I'm sure you are for obvious reasons. But there's another reason to be excited, especially if you're a workshop teacher, and that is the Workshop Teacher School. You should sign up. Here's why. It's free. And over the course of 5 weeks, I'm going to be discussing 5 topics. I got the idea for these topics from having conversations with teachers that teach reading and writing workshop from around the world. I talked to them about their biggest struggles. And so here are the topics.
How to get started with workshop, plus why workshop is the very best way to teach reading and writing. Week 2, fitting everything in, how to teach both reading and writing workshop. Week 3, student engagement and motivation strategies that work. How to simplify your assessment systems is week 4. And then the last week is helping you plan your year-long curriculum planning. Doesn't that sound amazing?
Pretty convincing, right? So sign up right now, do it, and you should also share with your other teacher friends, especially if they are interested in teaching using the workshop model next year. It is going to be a blast because you'll also get to connect with other teachers around the world and with me. So let's hang out this summer and go share this, share the love, and I'll see you soon. Bye.